In this video, we'll show you how to upload assets in the Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub. In the Upload section, you can upload apps, scripts, data flows, and table recipes. In the Apps section, you can upload applications exported from another Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub or from a different version of Qlik Sense. You can also upload multiple apps at once. Select the space where you want the app to be available. When ready, click Upload. App properties, such as custom attributes, are included when an app is uploaded. However, you'll need to reconnect data sources in the uploaded app separately. Similarly, you can upload a script using the same process. Scripts exported as QVF files from another Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub or Qlik Sense version can be uploaded directly. Again, select the appropriate space, add optional tags, and click Upload. You can also upload a data flow exported from Qlik Analytics as a DFW file. The workflow is the same if you want to upload a table recipe exported from Qlik Analytics Hub as a TRP file. When done, you can browse to the catalog and see that the assets are available in the selected space. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.